Welcome back to another Warrior Wednesday, where we're building the Warrior 350 quad. It's coming along quite well, as you can see in the background, but I'm trying to do this in order of how I'm building it. So essentially it's already further ahead than you're seeing it in this episode, but needless to say, it's pretty cool. My audio crapped out in the original video I had for this. The stupid GoPro mic adapter is hit or miss, so I really have to be careful with what I'm doing on that. So if you're thinking about buying a GoPro mic adapter, they suck, just so you know. So in this episode, you're going to be seeing me install some A-arms. Now these are full flight racing A-arms. This is a kit specifically for the Warrior 350, and it is awesome. They are +2 on the width, so overall track width is widened by 4 inches. We also have a wider rear axle to match that. I decided to go with quite the unconventional method of installing these. I actually had the frame upside down where I'd install the A-arms, and then I flipped the entire thing over. Yes, I know there's an easier way. Do I care? No. I did it this way and it seemed to work fine for me, so I always try different methods of things other than what I see online, because sure, it might be harder, but I learn more. So let's get into assembling the A-arms on this bad boy, and we will go from there. So we got it flipped back up on its front wheels here. The back is just sitting on a towel for now. It looks pretty awesome, actually. And yes, before somebody comments, these shocks are going away. Right now they're just here to help us hold it up while we work on this thing. But it will be getting new shocks, so I'm not sure what I'm going to put on it yet. Possibly retrofit some YFC 450s and a Raptor rear shock maybe. We got the steering shaft in here, the steering stem. You can see it moving around there. Got the upper piece on. We just need to fold over our safety tabs once we verify everything's good. We got our bearings down in there, all the seals, got everything greased, so we're good there. And it looks pretty good. This is actually a steering shaft kit that came with tie rods, tie rod ends, the steering stem, this bearing setup, and everything except for the lower bearings. It came with a whole kit on Amazon. I'll put the links to that in the description as well. I would appreciate it if you use my affiliate links. It does help my channel and it helps me to bring you more videos. So building something like this is not cheap, just so y'all know. We're gonna get the tie rods hooked up and just get the alignment roughly set where both tires point in the same direction, and then we're gonna move on from there. Maybe do some wiring, drop the wiring harness on it and everything like that, and then we'll go from there, and hopefully we can kind of get it a little bit further along today. We're having some issues with the rear axle. I can't get the brake hub off of the old axle, so We might have to take it to a shop to have them press it. I don't have an arbor press that big, so. So I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Warrior Wednesdays. Check back next Wednesday for another update on this project, and we will be getting further in depth with a few things, and it's going to be sweet. That's all I can tell you. The link to my Instagram account is always in the description below. If you haven't seen episode 1 of this, go check it out. It's kind of explaining why I did what I did and why I'm doing what I'm doing. I'm going to create a playlist for this. It's going to be Warrior Wednesday playlist, and that way you can keep track of it easier. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.